Keeping it together. The essence of keep in good repair. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might come across in English conversations, books, or movies. Keep in good repair. This phrase holds a simple yet profound meaning, and understanding it can really polish your English skills. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily English. Stay tuned. Keep in good repair means to maintain something in a condition where it continues to function well or remains in good shape. It's about regular maintenance and fixing any issues before they become serious problems. This phrase can be applied to anything that requires upkeep, from buildings and vehicles to relationships and personal health. Why is it important to keep things in good repair? Well, regular maintenance helps prevent major breakdowns, saves money in the long run, and ensures that something remains useful and safe for a longer period. It's a proactive approach to care, emphasizing the value of prevention over cure. Let's see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. Physical objects. He keeps his car in good repair by servicing it regularly. Buildings. The school board is responsible for keeping the school buildings in good repair. Personal well-being. Eating healthy and exercising regularly are ways to keep yourself in good repair. Relationships. Good communication is key to keeping any relationship in good repair. The phrase, keep in good repair, has been in use for centuries, stemming from the idea of repair as a state of condition. Over time, it has evolved to encompass a broader range of applications beyond just physical objects. Variations of this phrase include maintain in good condition and keep up. Understanding and using the phrase keep in good repair can add a layer of sophistication to your English. It's a reminder of the importance of regular care and maintenance in all aspects of life. We hope this video has given you a deeper insight into this phrase and how you can apply it in your own life. Remember, a little maintenance can go a long way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.